see how the setup works. If it looks good, I'll probably post it. If it doesn't, I'll use it for improvement purposes in the future. Ugh, I hate that sound. I don't know what, I'm pretty sure it's my intake bumping up against my filter, I'm pretty sure. Or something of that nature. She's a little quick. Damn deer in the road. It's tripping. Okay, guys. I need to turn myself around and head home. I'll give y'all a little pull. Y'all ain't seen the car yet or nothing like that, so. That's all y'all get. Y'all don't get nothing else. This car spins first and second, bro. This car is full bolt-on, intake, headers, full exhaust. I think it has a tune on it because my VTEC kicks in at like 4K. So I think it has a tune on it, and it's on coilovers. I traded the TSX for this, so I mean, I think it's a pretty fair deal considering the TSX was auto and this car is a 5-speed. It's a 5-speed with really short gears in it. Like, the gears in this car are short as shit. Yeah, my VTEC is like 4K. I think it has a tune on it. I don't know. But I do need to figure out what that clunking is. I'm pretty sure it's my steering rack bumping up against my intake, because even before I lowered it, it still bumped with the intake. So I'm pretty sure it's that. We got a car passing us here. Oh, this might be a little rough. Shit. Okay. Anyways, yeah. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. It didn't start. Yeah, it didn't start until I lowered the car. It's a bunch of deer over there. Glad I seen that. But yeah, it didn't start until I lowered the car the other day. So I'm guessing it's that. That's really the only thing I can think of. There's nothing else touching, so I don't really know these cars. So if y'all know more on these cars than I do, feel free to chime in the comments. Cause yeah, new platform to me, kinda. New chassis to me, yeah. Sorry if I'm screaming, I just don't know how the sound quality is, so that's why I'm yelling. This road is terrible. Next time, I'll see if I can get a video with the SI, and we can do like a late night cruise once I get this sound sorted out. Cause that sound, I'm not gonna lie, the sound's fucking annoying, bro. It's annoying as hell. But anyways, we're almost back home, so I'm not gonna show you guys where I live at, but yeah, we're almost back home. So my gas went up. That's weird. I started the trip and my gas hand was low. All right, but anyway.